How are you feeling, B?
Feeling okay.
All right, so we're gonna start by doing an adjustment to the neck, okay? So I'm gonna have you rotate in and out. Very good. Just gonna get up on the table here. And just contact you. Very good. Just let the shoulder come down, please. And just relax for me. Very good. Do the opposite side.
Mm-hmm.
Just gonna come in.
Mm-hmm.
Bring the shoulder down. Very good. Just relax. Lean into me. Very good. How'd that feel?
Really good.
Awesome. Okay, let's go face down for me. Any pain as I press down here?
A little bit.
You're about half an inch short. Any pain as I come into here?
No.
Any pain in the lower back around these areas when I do this here?
Yes.
So go ahead, take a nice deep breath in, all the way out. One more time, all the way out. Very good. Okay, and your side facing me this way, please. Take a nice deep breath in, all the way out. Very good. Other side, please. Deep breath in, all the way out. Very good. Okay, let's go face down one more time for me.
Yes.
Nice and even on the feet there. Great. Great. How you feeling?
Really, really good actually.
Awesome.
I was actually having some lower back pain.